morning, lunch packers. It is Monday morning. It is post-Halloween, and I am not packing a Halloween lunch today, which makes me, frankly, kind of happy. I was getting tired of them a little bit. So we just have a plain old lunch today, and what we have are some carrots, some red grapes, some pretzel thins, and then some rolled up deli turkey. And these are my new bento picks that I got this weekend. A monkey and a panda clinging to a branch. They're little forks. Very cute. And that's what Augie's having for lunch this Monday morning. Hey there. This is Tuesday afternoon. I thought I would show you what came home in this lunchbox today. So, here we go. I think basically all the carrots, most of these pretzel things, some of the grapes. He did eat all the turkey, and I'm going to show you why he didn't eat his lunch, which is annoying as heck. Yep, someone gave him a pack of Doritos, and he told me, oh, I was so busy eating the Doritos, I didn't have time for the rest of it. So that's just how it goes sometimes, isn't it? Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, and this is Augie's autumnal lunch for the day. So to start off, we have some caramel apple granola. That's from Trader Joe's. Some mini saltines with this little scarecrow pick. I have no idea where I got that. Some clementine, a little ketchup with hot dog for dipping in that ketchup. These are super hippie, nutty granola, keto, nitrate-free, all that crap. And then I have one of my favorite fall additions, 3 colors of peppers cut into leaf shapes. This is in my book, Everyday Bento. And I will actually link to a video up above that shows how I did this. I have an older video on here that shows how to make a lunch like this with these in it. So that is Tuesday's lunch. Have a great day. Good morning, guys. This is Wednesday, and this is what Augie is having for lunch today. We have some purple grapes, or red grapes, little mini pepperonis, which are a favorite but are hard to find. I actually found these at grocery outlets, so I bought a couple bags of them and threw the rest in the freezer. They're great for bentos if you see them, because you can make little mini pizzas out of them, and they're just also nice for snacking like this. Then I have a pumpkin muffin that I just made this morning. It's still warm, so hopefully it doesn't steam up the lunchbox too much. And then we have an applesauce cup and a spoon to eat the applesauce with. And that is Wednesday's lunch. Hey there, this is Thursday morning. Gosh, losing track of the days. And this is what Augie's having for lunch today. He has some sushi that I bought yesterday for the kids. He has, it's California roll. He has popcorn, dried cranberries, and some grapes to add a little oomph to this lunch. And that is for Thursday. Hey guys, it's Friday. I think I am coming down with something. So today's lunch had to be super simple because I realized after about 15 minutes of doing stuff in the kitchen that I was exhausted and needed to sit down. So I made this one as quickly as I can with a lot of input from Augie, so I didn't have to make decisions. So this is what he suggested. We have deli turkey bites. I tried to make them pretty, but you know how sometimes the turkey's all thin sliced and it's all piled together and you can't get it apart? I just couldn't make this look nice. Yeah, here, this is on Augie's plate. You can see what I mean. So I did my best, and that's all I could do. These are pita bite crackers from Trader Joe's. All of this is from Trader Joe's. This is a clementine, couple carrot sticks, because we just got realistic today, and we admitted that Augie will only eat 1 or 2 carrots. So we didn't put very many in. I said I'd rather put in more fruit than send a bunch of vegetables that you won't eat. So we have, did I already say the clementine? And then we have some grapes, and these grapes are so sweet. They're almost too sweet. They're so delicious. And that, my friends, is Friday's lunch. Thank you so much for watching with me this week. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel because I've been doing these every week for most of this school year so far, and it's going pretty well. So you can get lots of ideas for lunches if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and have a great weekend. Bye.